see. I repeat, see, and look, and look, and watch, and watch. So I repeat all these three words. Number one, see. Number two, look. Number three, watch. They might have the same idea to a language learner. Again, that might have the confusing idea to a language lover. Again, they might have the different meanings to an individual if he or she has studied different resources regarding these three words. Today, I would like to focus on see first. That is a very common idea that I would like to share and explain it to you. In fact, you might know more than I know, but what I have understood and has got a simple sense in my point of view would like to share with you. See, that is an inception of our senses, okay, that comes from inside. As we belong to two valuable eyes, they always see, and that naturally happens. That a kind of instinct that we belong to. As we have the eyes, we see whatever something comes across us, we see. Whenever something comes in front of us, we see. Whenever somebody shows something to us, we see. Whether it is to be instructed, or it is to be shown, or it is to be asked to notice. So in short, we can say there is something that always we see, and if it is in front of our eyes, and that is a natural matter that happens inside of ours. That is what we see. For an example, I see a bird fly. It means momentarily. I see a bird fly. I see a fish swim. I see a boy run. I see a boy, or I see a boy fly a kite. And if I think it is happening for a short period of time, or a particular period of time, I can say I see a boy riding on a bike. And if I want to take it to the past tense, I can say I saw a boy riding on a bike. Again, I can say I see a bird fly, and I see a bird flying. And again, I can say I see a fish swim. And again, I can say I see a fish swimming. So it is happening for a particular time when I see a bird flying, I see a fish swimming, I see a boy flying a kite. All right, that's it about see. And in a short, once again, we can say that see means something naturally happens from our eyesight. This is natural. And look, L-O-O-K, look at that picture. Somebody is instructed me to look at the picture, okay, and look at that wall, okay, look at that picture, okay, and look at that fan, okay. So if somebody instructed us something to see, that we can say look at that, look at those, okay. So it happens whenever, in a nutshell, not very deeply, we see something throughout an instruction of somebody else. Commonly we can say look at that book, look at that picture, and I am trying to draw attention to something of somebody else, okay. So that's it. And if it is something that watch, okay, watch, especially to see something with attention, we can say watch. Did you watch that TV show yesterday? Did you watch that film last night? and did you watch that, what exactly happened there. So if something is to be watched, I mean or seen with attention, we can say watch. And especially for media or it is on the screen, we commonly use that I watched the film on television, I watched the film on a computer, okay, like that we can say. So in brief, we can say that see is a very common idea that is about our sense, and that happens from inside, and we say, did you see that, did you see that, did you see those, will you see that, or can you see that, or could you see that, or should you see that, well, I should see that, okay. And if it is something that to get the attention of somebody else onto something, we can say, look at that book, look at that picture, look at that movie, look at that fan, look at that light, look at that what should I say, look at that wall, like that. And if it is watch something that is exactly happening about, to put an attention onto a particular thing, so we can say, I watched that. Did you watch that? Yes, I watched that, okay. It means that I saw something carefully. So that's it. Even after this is not enough, but for a particular way of understanding, this is an idea that what I have apprehended to be shared with you. And if you find that kind of classes are positive and are going to be a kind of aid for you to know something new or share something with us, please let us know that and comment onto our video, so we get inspired to go for some more information regarding English language. And again, we might let you involve with this language more and more, because today, tomorrow, we have to go through lots of resources, knowings of this language, and every day if we go through some kind of resources or any kind of ways of knowing something, it helps us to develop. And your inspiration and your motivation on your if we find that that's gonna be helpful for you, and that's gonna be working out, or that might be very positive for us to make more videos for you. So we expect you to have more comments on our videos, whether they are gonna be helpful for you or not. So that is English with Tawheed. We are serving English with Tawheed, as we are always trying to serve more lessons for you to share this language with each other. And we have a number of groups English with Tawheed. You are always invited to, or you are always welcome to join this group to share different things with us. That's it. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakallah khair to be with us. All the best.